Hello, soulmates. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to cut and sew this beautiful sleeve that has this lacing design at the center. So if this is a tutorial you're interested in, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment for me in the comment section. If you haven't shared this video, please share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting much time, let's get right into this tutorial. For this tutorial, you will need your sleeve pattern. Make sure that this sleeve pattern is your perfect sleeve pattern, and for your desired length, you can decide on whatsoever length you want. So mine was not up to my wrist length, so you can decide to take your measurement up to your wrist, but this is like my pattern here is getting to 2 inches above my wrist. So you don't need to draft your sleeve and this pattern on fold, because it's just one part we need. You don't need to draft it on foot like I did. Just one is fine. So as we go on in this video, you will understand. So this is the pattern. What I did was to measure 2 inches. So I just measured 2 inches from the center. I measured 2 inches here. So I just connected it straight down 2 inches. So guys, after that, you go ahead and cut this. So the 2 inches you're cutting, you don't need it, so you can trash that. You don't need it anymore. So this is the side we'll be working on. This is the side you'll be working on. Like I said earlier, you don't need to cut your pattern on fold. As you can see that I just used one of it. So this is the part we'll be working on, and we'll go ahead now and transfer this onto the fabric. So we'll go ahead and cut this on the fabric, and we'll be cutting, if you want to make two sleeve, you'll be cutting about 8 pieces of this. You'll be cutting 8 pieces of this, so 4 for one sleeve. So I will show you what I have after cutting. So this is what I have here, so I'm cutting it. And when you are cutting, you add half inch to every other side, to the curved area, to the center, and to the hem of the sleeve. But to the side of the sleeve, you add 1 inch. You know that side where you want to join your sleeves together, so you still add 1 inch there, but the rest of the other parts you add half inch. So go ahead and cut the 8 pieces you want to cut. So this is just for one sleeve, so this is two, and this is two on the other side. This is because you'll be using the same ankara for the lining. So the next thing we'll do now is to mark where we'll be adding our lacing bar. So starting from this top here, you leave half inch. You know there's an half inch at the top there to attach the sleeve to the body, so you leave that half inch. Then the next thing you will do is to measure 2 inches. So you measure 2 inches down. You keep measuring 2 inches down until you get to the elbow length, or wherever you want the lacing to stop. So I'll still show you when I'm doing that. So guys, the next thing I did was to cut out this tiny ankara fabric, and this is 1.5 inches wide. The wideness is 1.5, so I cut out about 7. You see this 3 by this side is what I'll be using to create the fabric I'll be using for the lacing bar, while the other 4 I'll join them together 2 each to create the rope I'll be using for the lacing bar to lace it when I'm done. So the 3 is for the fabric I'll be using for the lacing bar, and this is how I'll fold it. So I'll fold it like this, fold it again the other way, then I will sew. So I will sew on it. That's how I will fold it. I'll fold it quarter on both edge, then I'll fold again, then I'll sew on top to create the the lacing bar. And for this one, I'll just go ahead and join it together because I want the rope to be long. So I'll join it together here. Then I'll go ahead and sew, and I'll turn it like just to make a tiny belt. So I'll go ahead and sew with 1/4 inch on the edge, then I'll turn it out to the right side. So that's what I'll do for this one and the other one. So guys, after I was done with the lacing bar, this is what the fabric is looking like. And I went ahead to cut this into pieces. So I cut it into 2.5 inches. So you can also cut it into 3 inches. Like you can cut it into 3 inches length, but I'm using 2.5 now, but you can still use 3 inches. Then the next thing I will do is to go ahead and mark the line. So like I said, I will leave half inch at the top first before I start measuring 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches until I get to where my elbow is. So that's where I will stop. So you can just place your pattern on the fabric to know where your elbow is stopping. So you can stop like maybe 2 inches below the elbow. So I'll also mark this on this other side too. See the way I'm marking is 2 inches is the space in between them. After you are done marking, the next thing you will do is to fold this like this, then you place it and sew on top. So this is the one I've done. I lost some clip at this point, so I just have to show you what I've done here. So I've fixed the lacing, but I don't know if you can see it. I'll fix it on it. So when you are fixing it, it will face inside, not outside. So this is it, and it has 2 inches space in between them. So it has 2 inches space in between them. So I went ahead to fix this with 1/4 inch just to attach it down on this fabric before I now use this other one to cover it up. So you use this other fabric to cover it up like this. You just sew with half inch. You know it's half inch you add at this point. So you sew with half inch straight down, then also at the M area. You sew half inch here, then half inch there. So that's the only part you will sew for now. So after sewing, this is what I have. As you can see, this is what I have. So the space in between the bars are 2 inches. So this is the other side for one of the sleeves. This is just one sleeve. So the next thing to do is to join these two sleeves together. So we'll join them together by the side. So look at the way I want to join it. So place it together on each other, then you put one in between the other one, then you cover it up like this and you sew. So you put one in between the other one, then you cover it up like this and you sew. You know we added 1 inch for our sewing allowance, so you use the 1 inch to sew it down. So you go ahead and sew it down. Please, when you are sewing, make sure that everything are on the same line. So make sure they are equal. So make sure the fabric are equal. So you go ahead and sew. After sewing, this is what you will have. Then you go ahead and turn it. You turn it out. So look at the way I will be turning it out. So just gently you pull it out. So this is it. So after you are done, you go ahead and also iron it. So this is the rope we made that we'll be using to lace it. So this is the rope and this is the other sleeve. So you are making two sleeves. So this is how they look. So after this, you go ahead and lace it, or you can fix it first on your gown or your blouse or wherever you want to fix the sleeve on. And when you want to fix the sleeve, you start fixing it from the shoulder area. So you leave 2 inches at the front, you leave 2 inches at the back. We remove 2 inches, and if you are removing 2.5, you remove 2 point you leave a space of 2.5 when you are fixing the sleeve. I hope you understand how to fix it. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't liked, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.